Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are taking a closer look at the brand new Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. So Garmin has launched two versions this year, one with the next generation micro LED display in the 51mm and another one a beautiful AMOLED display available in both 47mm and 51mm sizes. So in this video I will be reviewing the 51mm AMOLED Fenix 8 Pro and talking about its display, performance, new features, battery life, and of course that high price tag. So if you're thinking about upgrading or buying one, this review will help you decide. So first one, we will talk about display and design. The first thing you will notice is the stunning AMOLED display. It's sharp, vibrant, and bright enough to handle direct sunlight, which is a huge plus for outdoor trainings. The larger 51mm size means more screen real estate for maps, metrics, and data fields, making it super practical for serious athletes and explorers. The overall design keeps Garmin's rugged looks, built with the premium materials and still water resistance for diving, swimming, and tough conditions. So what about connectivity upgrades? This time Garmin has taken connectivity to the next level. The Fenix 8 Pro comes with the LTE M Sport in the in-reach satellite communication built right in. That means you can send texts, share your live locations, check weathers, or even trigger SOS alerts directly from the watch. No phones required. You can even send out voice messages. So this makes watch more independent than ever, especially for those who train or explore off the grid. Just remember, you will need a Garmin subscription plan to unlock these services. So what about battery life? Despite all these upgrades, Garmin has managed to keep battery life strong. On the AMOLED 51mm model, you're looking at around 27 days in smartwatch mode and roughly 15 days with the always-on display enabled. This is incredibly solid for a watch such a bright screen, plus it weighs ahead of most competitors. Sure, the micro LED model stretches these features, but for AMOLED, these numbers are very impressive. So what about training and software features? Garmin has also introduced new training insights like running tolerance, step speed loss, and a nothing evenly report to help athletes fine-tune recovery and the performance. Alongside that, you still get the deep multi-sport tracking. Garmin is famous for running, cycling, swimming, hiking, triathlon, you name it. Maps are detailed, GPS is extremely accurate, and the watch is built through enough for military upgrade adventures. So what about price and value? So now let's talk about the price. The AMOLED Fenix 8 is 51mm starts around $1,199 to $1,299 depending on the version. That's definitely a premium tag, but keeps in mind that micro LED version is close to $2,000. So if you want the latest Fenix AMOLED satellite connectivity and top-end durability without going all the way up to micro LED cost, this is the smarter option. So I have left links in the descriptions where you can check out the details, compare versions, and see the latest pricings for both the AMOLED and the micro LED models. So definitely worth checking before you decide. So if you are after a rugged features-packed adventure smartwatch with a gorgeous display, strong battery life, and 51mm AMOLED Fenix 8 Pro is one of the best that you can buy. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch reviews. I will see you in the next video.